Welcome friends. In this new video we solve some problems on Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. I have written one for problems. Find the third divided difference with argument 2, 4, 9, 10 of the function x cube minus 2x. Uh, here we construct the divided difference table, and the arguments are given here. Values of x are x is given, values of x equal are 2, 4, 9 and 10, and function is given f of x equal to x cube minus 2x. Then for x equal to 2, values of f of x will be 4, then 56, then 711 and 980. We know that how to calculate the divided difference delta dash of f of x. This is f of x1 minus f of x0. 56 minus 4 divided by x1 minus x0. Then 711 minus 56 divided by 9 minus 4. 980 minus 711 divided by 10 minus 9. Now if we calculate these values, we get here 26, 131 and 269. Second divided differences are denoted by f dash square. Then this is a 131 minus 26 divided by third difference, that is x2. x2 is 9. 9 minus x0. x0 is 2. 269 minus 131 divided by 10 minus 4, and the values are 15 and this one is 23. Third divided differences delta dash f of x equal to 23 minus 15 divided by 10 minus 2, and it is 1. So in this manner, by using the first divided difference x0 comma x1, that is f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0, we have used this formula to construct this divided difference table, and using this divided difference table we have these values of we get these values of the third divided differences. Now friend, thank you for watching this video.